There's a lot of ways in which partners can work with us. SEC laws are super strict, and we can have accredited investors and sophisticated investors. Now, most investments can have both of them, and we pursue only assets that allow both accredited and sophisticated. Accredited investors are basically, the SEC laws are always changing, but as of right now, the accredited investors are single people who are making $200,000 a year, or married couples who are making $300,000 a year, or your net worth is over $1 million, excluding your private residence. And you have to have that status for 2 years before the SEC will recognize you as an accredited investor. And a sophisticated investor are those investors who understand the risks of what it's like to invest in a property and may not necessarily meet the accreditation, but they understand what it's like to invest, and they know enough about the market and how the investment works that it's a suitable risk for them to take given where they are right now and given the evaluation of what the property is performing at or what it's projected to perform at. And as I said, each asset can have some or both. And so we will always be having both accredited and sophisticated investors. And again, when it comes to sophisticated investors, the main criteria is, are you suitable for the investment? And that is something for us as the operators of the syndication to determine. When it comes time to close and also to get the offering together, and we have something that's coming up, generally, we will be providing the PPM, which is a document that outlines how the LLC is going to operate itself, the agreement for how we're going to implement our business plan, and then a subscription booklet, which is all the signatures and all the information needed to help actually get your funds in, and gives you a little bit more of a rundown of the property itself. And then some additional stuff is the offering brochure. That's where we really get into the nuts and bolts of what the offering is and how it works. The purchase contract itself, so you can see that, and then the loan term sheets, and then everything else that we've received from the seller will be completely open to you to look at, and you'd be able to take a look as much as you like, as long as we get your private placement memorandum in place and we get everything else squared away. Normally, this is the point in the presentation where I would say, okay, is there any questions from the audience? But at this point, I don't think there is an ability to do that because this is a broadcast. But what I would like to do is I would absolutely love to work with you. Please contact us. Go to our website at elevateequity.org. Please pick a time to sit down and talk with us. We want to learn about you and your goals, and we want to understand how to help you best we can. Or worst case scenario, just leave me a voicemail at my phone number down there, or you can contact me via email anytime. I'm here to help. I want to help everyone invest in real estate, whether it's in multifamily syndications, small multifamily, or single family that I've done many, many times already. We just look forward to working with you so much, and we're very excited about investing in real estate. We're very passionate about what it can do for you. And in addition to that, we also want to make sure that you know that there is a book out there for full-time professionals. I just recently wrote a book called Part-Time Real Estate Investing for Full-Time Professionals. And if you are a part-time real estate investor looking to become more of a real estate investor, or you're working full-time and want to just get started investing in real estate, please go grab the book on Amazon. You can get it by Googling my name, Derek Clifford, or you can find a link to it directly on our website at elevateequity.org. We also have a podcast that's going to be coming out pretty soon. So depending on when you're watching this, it may not be released yet, but we're very excited about having that. And we are just here to support you. So thank you so much for listening. If you have any questions at all, please reach out. Go to our website, take a look at our blog articles, take a look at everything you can find there, and just use us to help you start or continue to grow your real estate and get everything going for you, because we want you to succeed. We want you to win. We want you to have a life of choice and freedom, and we'll be able to achieve that all together. And we're looking forward to taking that step with you. So thank you so much. Have an awesome day. And please reach out if you have any questions. We're here for you. Take care. Bye-bye.